अस्सलाम वालेकुम। ये जो मैं स्केच बना रही हूँ, such a mashallah good looking kid, and I really wish you lots of happiness, long life, iman, izzat, zindagi, and everything that you and your parents wish for. So I'm starting this sketch.